Okay, hi. For this video, I will explain on the tutorial 4.1 area bounded by two curve for question 6. Question 6, they ask us to compute the total area bounded by the curve y equal to x squared plus 4, y equal to 8, and the y-axis. Okay, so for this one, basically we have two curve, which is y equal to x squared plus 4. Then another one is y equal to 8. So from here, okay, what we have to do is, in order for us to find the total area, we have to draw first. Okay, so for y equal to 8, it's okay, it's easy for us to draw because it's only a constant. So let's say if you have x axis and then you have y equal to 8, okay, x and y axis here, by right, y equal to 8 is when at this area is y is equal to 8, just like this. Okay, a straight line because it's only a constant. But then for a quadratic here that we have, which is x squared plus 4, we have to see first whether it is a set graph or smart graph. So you see x squared is positive, right? So by right it is a smart graph. Now we have to see whether this have how many solution for this quadratic function using b squared minus 4ac. So our b is equal to 0 square minus with 4 multiplied with a, which is 1, c is equal to 4. Now you're gonna get equal to negative 16, which is less than 0. When it is less than 0, you have no solution. Okay, no solution here. By right, your graph will be like this lah. Okay, because it won't touch the x-axis. And then here, since we have c is equal to 4 at the back by right, that is your y-intercept. Or you also can use let x is equal to 0, your y-intercept become y equal to x squared, so 0 square plus with 4. So by right, your y-intercept is equal to 4, which is here is y equal to 4. Okay, now we can combine this and then draw. Okay, so we draw this one first. So you draw, oh sorry, oh, not nice. Okay, this is our y equal to x squared plus with 4, and then we have y equal to 8. This is our y equal to 8. And then here, the question is that they want total area bounded by x squared plus 4, y equal to 8, and y-axis. Supposedly, if we follow this one, right, okay, without the sentence bounded by y-axis, your shaded area will be this one. Supposedly. But then they say bounded by y-axis. This is our y-axis, right? Oh, sorry. This is our y-axis, right? So when it is bounded by y-axis, you have to cut it up until here only. Why? Because you have to cut up until y-axis. Okay, you can take half only lah. So instead of this, okay, so your shaded area right now is this one. Okay, now the one that we have to find total area, right? So remember to find the shaded total area. The formula is upper minus lower, starting from A to integrate starting from A to B. So where is your A? Where is your B right now? Your A should be starting from here, which is we already got, which is equal to 0. And then your B is up until here. But do we know what is B? We don't know, right? So how to find B, A and B? We can use point of intersection, which to find A and B, use point of intersection, which you can use both equation that you have, which is the first one is x squared plus 4, another one is y equal to 8. Both are y, then you can make it equal to each other, which is x squared plus 4 equal to 8. And then you bring 4 to the right side, find the value of 8. So 8 minus 4, you're going to get 4 here. This one is x squared, right? In order for you to find x, then you square root x squared, but then at the right side you have to square root as well, put plus minus. Then you're going to get x is equal to plus minus 2. By right, your value of x is, one is negative 2, another one is 2. So from your graph, your intersection here, this guy is negative 2, then another intersection is 2. By right, b is equal to 2. So here, in order for us to solve this, to find total area, we have to find which one is the upper, right? So if you see from your graph that you see here, the shaded part, the upper one is the y equal to 8. Then you put inside upper is 8. Okay, then minus with lower is which one? This guy, the quadratic just now, which is x squared plus 4. Put x squared plus 4. And then dx starting from a is equal to 0 until b, which is equal to 2. Then you can solve this, which you're gonna get 8 minus x squared minus with 4 dx. Starting from 0 to 2, you integrate, and then inside you solve, you're gonna get negative x squared plus with 4 dx. And then we'll solve this. So basically you have negative x squared, you integrate, negative x squared to the power of 2, you plus 1 to the power, divide with 3. And then plus with 4. 4 integrate become 4x. And close this with a bracket, integrate starting from 0 to 2. Now you simplify, you're gonna get negative x to the power of 3 divided with 3 plus with 4x. Okay, then you're gonna get equal to, integrate starting from 0 to 2. Okay, now proceed with this, substitute the upper limit first inside, then you're gonna get negative 2 to the power of 3 divided with 3 plus with 4 multiplied with 2. Minus with, substitute x is equal to 0 inside, which is the lower limit. So negative 0 to the power of 3 divided with 3 plus with 4 multiplied with 0. Okay, here you calculate, and then you're gonna get here 16 over 3 minus with, if you calculate this guy, you're gonna get equal to 0. So the answer you will get here is 16 over 3. Okay, it's 16 over 3 units square, or you also can change to the proper fraction, which is 5 1 over 3 unit square. Both answers are allowed. So that's it for question 6. Like this. Okay, thank you.